and demos for today, click on the call to action icon. Enjoy the conference.
This set of demonstrations showcases MIPI MFI, MIPI UniPro, MIPI I3C, MIPI RFFE and MIPI SPMI design challenges.
Universal flash storage with MFI and UniPro IP is fast becoming a preferred flash storage specification for mobile phones, IoT, and consumer electronic devices. Its higher data transfer speed and increased reliability to flash memory storage is making it a prominent storage memory for future mobile devices. Introducing Prodigy Technovations Pvt Ltd, which enables semiconductor companies to test and debug MFI, UniPro, and UFS interfaces. Pvt Ltd has industry superior performance due to deep capture, powerful trigger capabilities, and in-depth protocol analysis. MFI high-speed interfaces are sensitive to probe loading due to probe impedance and capacitance. Pvt Ltd provides the solder-down probes, which maintains signal fidelity over a wide range of PWM gear speeds. Pvt Ltd software enables companies to get detailed views of the MFI, UniPro, and UFS protocol between a UFS host and UFS device. It has the capability to capture data traffic for extended duration. Pvt Ltd hardware-based real-time trigger allows protocol capture at specific events. Software's floating window architecture makes debug easy by displaying MFI, UniPro, and UFS layer information in a separate window, or even better, in a separate monitor. Additional features such as trigger in, trigger out, unlimited markers, search, filter, and field upgradation makes Pvt Ltd a complete and compelling product to have on your debug bench. For more information, please visit www.prodigytechno.com.
These demonstrations covers MIPI I3C design challenges for JEDEC DDR5 implementation. MIPI I3C is a two-wire serial interface standard that improves upon the features of I2C and SPI, while maintaining backward compatibility. Prodigy I3C Protocol Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer is an I3C emulation and debugging tool that helps a design engineer to test their I3C designs. This tool supports MIPI I3C version 1.0 and 1.1 specifications. Prodigy I3C Protocol Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer is capable of emulating master or slave, enabling designers to test DUTs. Prodigy I3C Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer supports JEDEC or DDR5 commands. JEDEC commands supports the above listed commands. Let us now focus on executing these commands using the I3C Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer unit. Click on Test Connection to ensure the hardware connection is done appropriately. Emulate a master by selecting the node type as master in the bus configuration panel. It is a critical requirement to set the voltage at 1.1 volt to support DDR5 commands. Click on Add Device. Emulate a slave by selecting node type as I3C slave in the bus configuration panel. Enter the voltage as 1.1 volt. Click on View Register to configure the register and specify a unique part number. Close the Register View window and click on Add Device. The added nodes can be viewed by clicking on I3C Network in the toolbar. To start the capture process, click on Start Capture icon in the toolbar. Analyzer will capture the I3C signal and will be displayed in the decoded result window. Click on Master Script window in the Tool button to enable the Master Script window to write or load scripts. Let us start with sending SETAASA command. For this, enter the SETAASA script to assign all addresses to static address. Click on Run to send the command to assign the static address to the slave. The decoded result will be displayed in the decoded result window and the detailed information will be listed in selected frame window. Similarly, other JEDEC-compatible commands can be sent. Click on Stop Capture to end the analyzer activity. Prodigy I3C Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer is a revolutionary tool that addresses key problems like working with legacy I2C devices, IBI capability handling and others. Prodigy I3C Exerciser and Protocol Decoder supports MIPI I3C version 1.0 and 1.1 specifications. This demonstration covers MIPI RFFE design challenges. MIPI RFFE is a two-wire serial interface, intended to be used to connect one or more radio frequency ICs in a mobile terminal to their related front-end modules to control and monitor them. Prodigy RFFE Exerciser and Protocol Decoder is a RFFE emulation and debugging tool that helps a design engineer to test their RFFE designs. The tool supports MIPI RFFE version 2.0 and 2.1 specifications. The protocol analyzer is capable of emulating master or slave, enabling designers to test their DUTs. Once you launch the software, it helps to ensure the connection is tested. On successful connection, the master and slave nodes are added. In this case, we have one master and two slaves. The voltage can be varied for the nodes, which offers flexibility for testing. The RFFE bus network can be reviewed to ensure that the nodes are added perfectly. To start the exercise and analyzer activity, click on the Start Capture. Run the script, which is in the exerciser section of the script. Write the script to generate different RFFE traffic generation sequences. Alternatively, user can use the GUI to generate simple RFFE packets. Powerful scripting capability allows user to generate complex used case scenarios. Saved script can be loaded from the file. Run the script, which is in the exerciser section of the script, by loading it. The decoded results are listed and waveform is plotted on the result panel and plot view panel respectively. Reports can be generated for documentation purposes. Prodigy RFFE Exerciser and Protocol Decoder is a revolutionary tool that addresses your RFFE debugging issues, which helps the design engineer to design innovative products. The analyzer also supports protocol decode of MIPI RFFE version 2.0 and 2.1 specifications. This demonstration covers MIPI SPMI design challenges to handle bus arbitration. MIPI SPMI is a two-wire serial interface that connects the power controller of a system-on-chip processor system with one or more power management integrated circuits voltage regulation system. Prodigy SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer is a SPMI emulation and debugging tool that helps a design engineer to test their SPMI designs. This tool supports MIPI SPMI version 1.0 and 2.0 specifications. Prodigy SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer is capable of emulating master or request-capable slave, enabling designers to test DUTs. This brief demonstration shows how a design engineer can use our tool. The connection is as shown here, and once you launch the software, it helps to ensure the connection is tested, and the protocol version is selected. On successful connection, the master and slave nodes are added based on the requirement. In this case, we have one master and two slaves. The nodes can also be configured with different voltages, which gives flexibility for testing. The SPMI bus network can be reviewed to ensure that the nodes are added perfectly. To start the exercise and analyzer activity, click on Start Capture. Run the script, which is in exerciser section of the script. Send system commands to configure the bus and enable master bus arbitration to assign bus ownership. Custom SPMI traffic sequences are sent using the script tool. The exerciser and protocol decoder handles the arbitration requests. Slave arbitration request is emulated using the script tool. The same is listed in the decoded result panel and waveform is generated. Prodigy SPMI Exerciser and Protocol Analyzer is a revolutionary tool that addresses key problems like handling bus arbitration capabilities. The analyzer supports protocol decode of MIPI SPMI version 1.0 and 2.0 specifications.